Okay, hi guys, welcome back to another video, and currently there is a severe thunderstorm hitting my area. Ooh, there goes the thunder. It's just a giant, dangerous shelf cloud, so that's the shelf cloud. See, it's kind of getting windy outside. Right up here, the sky kind of looks a little green. And this is the cloud where the shelf is coming from. The storm could even cause some hail. There could even be hurricane force winds. So there's going to be this dangerous storm and Hurricane Ida. Ida's going to hit tomorrow morning. Sorry, didn't make a video about Ida. It's because I was just busy. Oh yeah, this cloud's really coming in. Oh wait, guys. Wait. I think it's the funnel. Right around there, I think there's a funnel. There could be a funnel like right around there. Oh wow, it's getting windy. Like, look at the trees. Man, look at this storm. Like, look how severe it is. And this is a big, giant, dangerous storm that's coming in. Oh wait, but those are some birds flying. No. Oh, look, that tree's blowing in the wind. Oh no, when these dangerous winds are gonna come in? Oh wait. There could be something trying to develop like right there. Like right there. In this spot here, there could be possible tornado developing. It is getting pretty severe now. Just look at the clouds. Ooh, wait, I can hear the winds like doing shh. Man, just look how mysterious these clouds are, guys. Very, very mysterious. So, like, the clouds are mysterious, just like the Oklahoma storms and tornadoes. Also, I don't know when this windstorm's gonna start, but it does look really severe now. The clouds are dark. Yeah, there could be possible tornado development right around this area. Winds are kind of picking up. Yes. Oh yeah, here comes the windstorm, guys. You can see a lot of trees starting to move. I was like, look at the trees right now. Not sure if you guys can see them moving or not. Okay, yeah, here trees moving a little bit. Oh yeah, it's getting really windy, guys. I saw like a couple leaves and debris fly. Oh yeah, guys, look. The storm, here comes the windstorm, guys. Here it comes. Oh wow. Oh yeah, here comes the storm, guys. Here comes the storm. Wow, just look at that. The winds are blowing now. Yeah, storm's coming in. Ooh, guys, look at that. The winds are picking up. Winds are picking up. Bro, just look how mysterious storm clouds are here. Like, bro, look how mysterious these clouds are. These look very mysterious. Severe. Trees are moving. Oh, it's starting to rain. the rain kind of sounds like some hail. Trees are moving. Look how severe the storm is. Trees are moving now. Ooh, guys. It's like starting to rain actually. Not sure if you guys can see. See right here, the window's kind of wet. There could be a heavy rainstorm coming, guys. Yeah, storm is getting severe right now. Oh yeah, they have giant raindrops. Oh yeah, those winds are picking up. Oh yeah. Oh, it's raining heavy now. Now you can see like some heavy downpours coming from that direction. Oh wait, guys! I swear, I think I just saw lightning that direction. Look, it's literally raining hard right now. Like, bro, look, it's starting to look. It's raining hard. Yeah, this severe storm is creating some heavy rain, some strong winds. Oh wow! You can just like hear it. Not sure if you guys can hear it. Wait, guys, I think I saw some hail. Look, it's like raining where all these little wet drops are. Oh yeah, it's starting to rain. And this severe storm. Oh yeah, it's raining hard. It's starting to rain hard. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Oops. Oh no. Okay, now I'm back. Hey guys, sorry my battery's like too low. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this severe weather video. Please like, comment, subscribe. And see you guys at the Hurricane Ida tropical update. Goodbye.